Hi, sir and ma'am po. Mean Los Baños po from TV5. Sir, we know parte ng alyansa si Congressman Camille Villar, and recently the President himself ordered a probe into Prime Water, which is Villar-owned. You think tama na po bang imbestigahan yung Prime Water because of complaints left and right, and because water is a basic need? Tama lang po bang paimbestigahan ang Prime Water?
Sa akin, tama lang. Kasi, alam mo, water, maski public utility man yan o kaya private concessionaire, I think responsibility pa rin ng gobyerno na maging transparent sa kanilang gagawin sa pag-resolve ng issue. Dito mismo sa Lucena, kausap namin yung mga mayors o kaya mismo yung congressman dito. Problema rin nila yung tubig na ang concessionaire nga, yung prime water. We were in Bohol, ganun din ang problema na sa Bacolod, kulay tsokolate yung tubig. Mga ganun. So, I think the government or the national government through the administration of President Bongo has reacted sufficiently. Whether ma-resolve immediately or it will take time. But at least, yung national government has done something or is doing something para ma-address yung problema ng mga consumers. That is the bottom line. Walang politics involved pagka yung basic necessity na ng ating mga kababayan ang involved. Kaya nga nung tinanong nyo, bakit yung timing ng pagbibenta ng bigas sa 20 pesos? Well, two-pronged eh. In-address ko yung concern ng farmer dahil farm gate price, binila ng 33, binenta ng 20, natulungan yung consumers, lalo yung mga medyo mababa at sa lipunan. What's wrong with that? Bakit pupulayan ng politika yung isang ginawang aksyon ng gobyerno na dapat namang gawin dahil nararapat talagang gawin?
Salamat. Tito Sen.
Yes, any issue or controversy that concerns a basic need of the people should be addressed right away. Whether it involves a politician or not, or whoever is involved, as long as it's the basic need of the people, therefore, the government should address it right away.
Yes, Congressman Erwin.
May mga nagre-react na politically motivated ng investigation. Ang tanong ko lamang po doon, paano na lang po yung reklamo ng tiga-Albay? Albay is prime water. Pampanga is prime water. Lucena, Tayabas, prime water. Bulacan, prime water. Hindi po natin papakinggan yun because kasama. Tama naman po yung Pangulo. He has to listen to the complaints of these people. Mas masama po tignan, hindi mo ka-actionan kasi ka-alyansa. Mas masama naman kung hindi mo kikilos dahil kasama. Di po ba? Ang ginawa po ng Pangulo, it is not politically motivated because kaliwat kanan na po isumbong mismo mga LGU na. Kausap po namin dito, kausap po namin sa Pampanga, Albay, LGU na po nagsasabi. Imposible namang hindi nakakarating sa Malacanang. Kaya ba magbibingi-bingihan pa because member ng grupo ng alliance? I think the decision was right. Or is right na magkaroon ng investigasyon. Tama yung mga kasamahan ko. Water is life. Di po ba? Kung kalawang na lumalabas yan, putik na lumalabas yan, hahayaan mo lang ba? That's all I can say.
Yes, Attorney Avalos. Ganito na lang. Baliktarin na lang natin. Paano kung bawat isa na nasa kwarto ngayon, wala kayong tubig? Bayad kayo ng bayad, halos ang sama ng servisyo. Lahat na nireklamo. How would each one react? At ito'y napakalaking problema. Kamukha na sinabi ng aking mga colleagues dito, nakikiisa ako sa kanila. Tama ang ginawa ng ating Pangulo because this is really a huge problem na dapat kagad sagutin ka. Thank you.
I-
Thank you.